Hey, Brian from Garage Hall. Today we have the DE-28. This is a radio-controlled helicopter by DEERC, and these are pretty awesome. Let's open it up, see what we get inside, and then we'll take it for a test flight and see how it does. Alright, so open that box up, and so it's got the two-part. That's your helicopter with the dual rotor, so that is pretty awesome. And this is your remote. Let's see everything we get. Oh, so you get a different, you get two different cowls, or basically like cockpit areas on this. So you get like the red, and then you get the one that's on there, the silver. So that's pretty interesting. Alright, and this looks like this is your battery. So we're going to get that charging up, but it looks like it's going to go. So that plugs in. I guess it goes in this way. We got to line up the. Nope, actually it goes this way. Okay, so it's got to line up to the plug. So it basically goes in that little compartment there. Then it'll make its connection. So that's pretty good. That's pretty tight. Okay, so here is the USB charging cable. So we're going to give that some juice. You also get an extra set of propellers and a rear rotor, and then a little screwdriver to let you do all that. So while we plug this in, we're going to give it a good drink. Alright, so it lights up red. My delusion is it'll probably go out completely when it's fully charged. Let's get out the screwdriver and see what the remote needs. And that screw is in there pretty good. Okay, got it. Alright, get that open. It takes 3 AAAs. Put some of these Amazon batteries in there. 1, 2, and 3. So put that back down. Put the screw back in. So that is your remote, and it's like, so you have the up and down here, and then this is basically a full function little joystick. So that should be pretty neat. Then it's got a takeoff and a landing button, and then I'm not sure what that one does, but we'll find out here shortly. Alright, so let's take this battery out and we'll plug it back in, and then we'll be right back, so stay tuned. Alright, so on this, you want to make sure that you push that in and make sure it lines up pretty good. Sometimes you got to push it so it like makes a little snap in there. This is your on switch for the helicopter. So put that down here. And then your remote, you're basically turning it on here. And then you're basically paired and ready to go. This is your up and down automatically. Anyway, Brian from Garage Hall. That's a pretty cool little helicopter. Thanks for watching, and fly safe out there.